In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase your iPhone storage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Settings, then scroll down a bit and tap on General, and then iPhone storage. Right here we can check out free space on our device, and if we want to increase our iPhone storage, the easiest way is just to remove some unused applications to free up some space. Let's say I want to free up space by removing that app. I can just get into app, and then in that simple way I can remove it. Then I can go through all of this big list of applications, and then I can remove any app to get rid of them and to free up some space. Another way to increase your iPhone storage is go to Settings again, tap at your name, then iCloud, Manage Account Storage, and then change storage plan. As you can see, I got a paid iCloud subscription. It gives me 50 gigabytes of additional storage space in the iCloud, and that's where we can easily change our plan. So I can, just by selecting any of these options, upgrade my current plan to any of them, and in that way we can easily increase our iPhone storage space, because we can use iCloud storage to store our media content, videos and photos, and we can even remove that photos from our device without deleting it from the iCloud. To do that, let's go to the iCloud and then Photos, and then we can choose Download and Keep Originals. In this case, if your iPhone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with smaller device size versions. However, full resolution versions can be downloaded from iCloud anytime. That's how you can easily increase your iPhone storage.